Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज़ माय चैनल, माय फर्स्ट थर्ड वीडियो। आई भाई, ये तीसरा वीडियो है। प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, बेल आइकन को नहीं दबाएं ताकि आप लोगों को हर नई वीडियोस हमारा पहुंच जाएगा। आज भाई थोड़ा सा स्टडी स्टार्ट है, प्लीज़ सब दोस्त गुजारा करो वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब। Order move shoki soch direction check the port use a unit vector along the line joining the two charges. Will is show. If R1 or 2 is a unit vector pointing from the charges Q1 toward the charges Q2, then the force exerted by the charge Q1 and Q2 in vector form. The force Q1 is equal to K Q1 Q2 R square R12. Similarly, if R21 is a unit vector, the voltage the pointing from the charges Q2 toward the charges Q1, then the force exerted by the charge Q2 and Q1 vector form. That's the Kardashian equation. So if into one you are very so nice की वीडियो भाई लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना शेयर करना बगैर लाइकन को नहीं दबाना ताकि आप लोगों को हर नए वीडियोस हमारा पहुंच जाएगी। खुद देखिए एफ टू वन इज इक्वल टू माइनस एफ वन टू और देखिए अगर उसको बदल लो द फोर्स exerted show by the charges Q1 and Q2 is conventionally denoted by the F21 and the force is exerted by the charge Q2 and Q1 is conventionally denoted by the F12. The force F12 exerted by the Q2 on Q1 is equal in magnitude to the forces F21 exerted by the Q1 on Q2 and in the opposite direction is illustrated. This proves that Coulomb law it fits into Newton third law. देखिए प्रूव की गई खबर है Coulomb law बराबर है so is equal to the third law of the Newton the third law मुताबिक था. The constant can be generally expressed term of the permittivity of the free space. For example, K is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Experimentally measure value of epsilon naught at point at 5 multiplied into power minus 12 carbon. No, the whole in a monastery coulombs Newton meter. So, K constant 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 9.0 multiplied into 9 Newton meter square or coulomb square. And that means a coulomb last. See the coulomb la. The Coulomb law in material media to give the force between the two charges when there is a air or vacuum between them, but it experimentally observed that we an insulator placed between the electric charge, it reduces the force. Permittivity is the property of the medium. The medium has a property. Permittivity means the medium has a property. Check the magnitude of the forces between the two point charges. तो अच्छे permittivity से विषय has a property the medium कि munga suku कि munga siki कि effect की magnitude of the forces there between two point charges terminal that kita munga calculum la in material value. Now permittivity is the property of the permittivity is the property of a medium which affect the magnitude of the forces. No Coulomb law in material media. Coulomb law in material media. तो permittivity जे कम ना the तो बस the permittivity जे कम the property the medium the property जे कम permittivity ना कब directly affect किसो magnitude of the forces between the two point charges सर्वे material media permittivity of this permittivity has a property the medium that directly affect किसो that directly affect magnitude of the forces between the two point charges terminal magnitude is the force धक्का the Coulomb law in the material media the Coulomb force can now be written as the Coulomb law in material the permittivity the permittivity of the property permittivity how property which medium can be away pick the magnitude of the two so magnitude of the two between two point charges is called Coulomb law of material media and the Coulomb force can be written as F medium 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 r square. The quantity the E is called the permittivity of the medium. the e-pung the shoki permittivity of them. For a particularly insulator chikam then the permittivity chikam the of a material medium jaga is compared to sort with the so with the quantity rakam the permittivity of the medium. Aga for a particularly insulator the okama permittivity of the material made the compare key with the permittivity of Q item is called ratio permittivity and dielectric constant. चैनल भाई लाइक करो सब्सक्राइब करो शेयर करो